Leftist party CPIM is trying to break the unity by criticizing about Maharaja regarding the accord. What has CPIM done in the 25 years of government? State YTF President EM Runel Deborma allegedly said this during the 5 days door-to-door campaign on Sunday. To preach the truth about the accord, YTF has started door-to-door campaign starting from 10th of March. Following that, a press meet was also held at Khumulung IS Conference Hall by YTF. With the agreement of all the YTF members, they decided to start door-to-door campaign for 5 days. As a result, on Sunday, all of the YTF leaders and members set their foot for door-to-door campaign for 5 particular days all over the state. Likewise, State YTF President EM Runel Deborma set his foot to Wojungnagar, Wakinagar area on Sunday to preach the truth about accord to the people of the village. During the interaction with media, EM Runel Deborma said leftist party CPIM is trying to break the unity by criticizing about Maharaja regarding the accord. What has CPIM done in the 25 years of government?
Tini ni simi 5 din bepi sing door to door khai taung tini 10 tarik 10 March main uddesho angkai bubagrana hambaya phana bagi karon ki bini bisingti je o historical accord je showing money sini mantai shoktai rok manan bagi je government of India je shoy kheli money omono bubagrana hambai rena bagi sing kami thanglai nok thanglai hambaya phot tonglayo gete kaisa reason angkai jara sini o accord showing money no Kebang borok buzia ko tongo okra rok chakrajik rok gebong no sing kaham ke buzungna bagi o rally khai tongo door to door campaign sin 5 din tonglai sara tirpon ngi tong dinin simi YTF by organize khaijak engkai social media ti YouTube ti baksa alka bodol CPM hindi alka bodolok kebang chesta chalu tongo bubagna bodnam khainan bagi o agreement accord showing lemani no bodnam khaina bagi borok musung jagya bubagrani truti sino mande sokte manthung hnai tai chesta khai dong sino thanchano sabaina ni bagi borok bubagrano sing joto tiprasada borok thanchani phan baino sing bono kaplai khaika tai sin mande sokte thanchani bagi ni mangkha thanchani phan ni bagi ni mangkha ebong o bubagro sajak directly o 6 mas bisingbo aste ke implementation ngnai o kogrong sana bagi no sing nogo thanglai tongo door to door khailai tongo engkai ang sanamu sungo bongni amalo CPM rok tomle khailanga tibrasan bagi 70 বছর মই sing nijini hawaman de sokte mayang tomone tom khailanga borok do 25 বছর সরকারা asuka borok tom ruma tong bong through accord showing ka kun mungsapano tabu borok piring pore khaina bagi sino thanjana sabaina bagi chesta salgui tongo engkai omono jate ingyatei sin borok no omono sanan bagi jara bujia khorong no thanchama tongnai bubagrano logi marnai bubagrano sing logi rikhaise sin mantai soktai sing bin bisingti manai te bubagrani bo ichha naidi bo nijini rang puise sabai sori no sori hinya oi bin sori asa hamia phano busuke Delhi laisi waisa tirod hayu waisa busuke hor sal phuya chaya kai bo chesta salui tong nge bin pressure baina tini sin thanchan fain baina o accord bo soyingka ebong buskangni salobo te kaham news fainai sino implementation taw accord showing 60% samungka te 40% samung tongkho o 40% bo o election pore no ngnai omono sojjo dojo romai sing jotono tiprasarok ebon dofon lukurong no sing bubagno logirima tongnai o kong sanabogina sing tini nogo thang door to door khailai tong.
Likewise, State YTF President EM Runel Deborma asked to the people saying to keep faith on Maharaja Pradot Kishore Deborma and not to be confused and panicked. Reported by Animes from Hazamara, Chinikorang.